Hi guys, today we're going to talk about light, shadow, and how applying it to your work can dramatically change how three-dimensional it appears. This is the sheet that we're going to be using today, and you'll find a copy of this in your sketchbook. We're going to start by talking about something called line quality. Line quality is really the uniqueness of the line, the qualities of it, whether it's dark or light or straight or crooked. And there are some spaces here to try out some different types of line quality. You can see in this first one, I already have it filled in with some short little dashes. The next one is called hatching. Hatching is a series of lines that are close together going in the same direction. Cross hatching is very similar to hatching, except the lines crisscross. Stippling is made with little dots. They may be a little hard to see on the video, so I'm going to make them slightly bigger than you normally would, but it really could just be done by tapping your pencil. Wavy lines are another kind of texture you could use. And finally, scumbling, which is probably a new one to you. Scumbling really looks like a bunch of scribbles. Scumbling is kind of a fun texture to make. It's really little wiggly, scribbly lines. Now, all of these types of line quality also act as textures, and we'll be able to use those later for other kinds of artworks. What I want you to do is brainstorm some other kinds of line quality that you could invent. Use your imagination and fill in those other boxes. Go ahead and pause the video here, and then when you're finished, come back for the next section. You might remember in 4th grade, we talked about value and value scales. I've recreated a value scale here to help remind you. Value scales just show the progression of dark to light. I would like you to pick one of the textures, line quality textures that you created before, and try to create a value scale matching this example as close as you can. Kind of like this. Something that helps me is to kind of squint my eyes, and then I can kind of compare the two a little bit easier and see how close I'm getting. I feel like this one needs to get even darker. Get as close as you can. Let's see what you can do.